What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel Creative Technology, where we make tech work for you. Today, we're diving into some super rare and totally unique tips that most of the YouTubers don't tell to make your PC speed rocket in 2024. Ready to boost your PC's performance to the next level? Let's get started. Tip 1. Enable Ultimate Performance Mode. Our first tip is something that not many people talk about, enabling Ultimate Performance Mode. This is a power plan designed to reduce micro-latencies and improve overall performance. Here's how you can enable it. Press Win+X and select Power Options. Click on Additional Power Settings. Choose Show Additional Plans and select Ultimate Performance. This mode is especially useful for heavy-duty tasks and gaming. Just be aware, it might use a bit more power. If you don't see any Ultimate Performance option here, then follow the steps. Press Window key +X. Open PowerShell as admin. Then run this command. If Ultimate Performance Power Plan fails to appear in the Power Options window, follow these prompts. Run this command. After that, run the activation command of Ultimate Performance Power Plan again. Restart your computer to see if Ultimate Performance Power Plan is present in Power Options. Tip 2. Clean up your software distribution folder. Next up, cleaning out your software distribution folder. This folder can get pretty bloated with old update files. Here's what to do. Open File Explorer and navigate to C, Windows, Software Distribution, Download. Select all files and delete them. Don't worry, this won't affect your system, but it can free up quite a bit of space. Tip 3. Enable Fast Startup. This combines a hybrid of hibernation and shutdown for faster boot times. Here's how to enable it. Go to Control Panel and click on Power Options. If you don't know how I open it in just one click, then watch my previous video. Link in the description. Select, choose what the power buttons do. Click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Under Shutdown Settings, check Turn on Fast Startup. This can significantly reduce your boot time. Tip 4. Use a RAM disk. Ever heard of a RAM disk? It's a portion of your RAM that acts as super fast storage, perfect for temporary files and heavy applications. Here's how to set it up. Download and install a RAM disk software like SoftPerfect RAM Disk. Configure the size you want to allocate. Leave enough RAM for system operations. Create the RAM disk and set it as the location for temp files. This can drastically speed up tasks like video editing or gaming. Tip 5. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Last but not least, disable those unnecessary startup programs. They can really slow down your boot time and overall performance. Here's how. Press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Right-click and disable any programs you don't need at startup. This can make a huge difference in how quickly your PC gets up and running. Tip 6. Optimize your DNS settings. Many people don't realize that changing your DNS can improve your internet speed. Here's how you can do it. Go to Control Panel and select Network and Sharing Center. Click on your active network and then Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IP4, and click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter a faster DNS, like Google or Cloudflare. This can reduce latency and improve your browsing speed. Tip 7. Use ReadyBoost for extra speed. Next up, let's talk about ReadyBoost. If you have a USB flash drive lying around, you can use it to give your PC a performance boost. Here's how. Insert your USB flash drive. Open File Explorer, right-click on the drive, and select Properties. Go to the ReadyBoost tab and choose Use this device. ReadyBoost uses your USB drive as extra memory, which can be a game changer for PCs with limited RAM. Tip 8. Adjust visual effects for best performance. Visual effects can make your windows look pretty, but they can also slow down your PC. Here's how to adjust them for better performance. Press Win plus X and select System. Click on Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings. Choose Adjust for best performance. You can also customize which effects to keep. This tweak can make a noticeable difference. Tip 9. Enable write caching on your SSD. For those with an SSD, enabling write caching can boost your disk performance. Here's how to do it. Press Win plus X and select Device Manager. Expand Disk Drives and right-click on your SSD, then select Properties. Go to the Policies tab and check Enable write caching on the device. This helps in improving the speed of data writing operations. Tip 10. Disable Windows search indexing. Finally, consider disabling Windows search indexing if you don't use the search feature often. This can free up system resources. Here's how. Press Win plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down to Windows Search and double-click it. Set the Startup type to Disabled and click Stop. This can significantly reduce disk usage and improve overall performance. That's it for today. These Windows hacks can significantly improve your daily computer use. Try them out and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cool tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in